Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another tutorial of UK Textions. Today we will discuss about inheritance. What is inheritance and how we can achieve it. What is inheritance? Inheritance to acquire all properties and behavior of parent class means superclass to child class or into child class, which is. So let's discuss about real-time example of inheritance. Have you heard the word vehicle? Vehicle is a thing used for transportation from one place to another place. Let's say vehicle is a parent class and car is a subclass in which we can get some property of vehicle into our child class. So basically we are inheriting something from a class which we don't have to reuse it multiple times. Vehicle can be any kind of transportation like car, bus, truck, bicycle, bike, rickshaw or etc. So let's start making classes and discuss about parent class, subclass and type of inheritance. What are the type of inheritance? There are three basic type of inheritance: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance and hierarchical inheritance. So let's start with basic one, the single one. So I am creating here a class as I give an example of vehicle. So let's start with vehicle. Okay, so let's create some methods over here. Let's say I want to create a method over here, public void model, public void engine. So let me remove this one because bicycle don't have any engine, I guess. So let's discuss about these are the vehicle core methods and I want to implement them in car class, bicycle class and bike class, right? But firstly I want to show you about a single inheritance in which I would like to car class we extends a class vehicle. What extends key means, right? I in my previous video I said I will discuss about extends. So extends keyword indicates inherit one class to another. So let's discuss what I want to tell you about it. Like I am creating a car class object here, and I want to say that, let's see, I didn't write anything here. So let me write system dot out dot print I am in a vehicle class and method name is model, right? I'm calling model object, right? Let me show there. Okay, so I will do same process in these four methods and let me call them over here, over here. So let me call them as model. Okay, and here is color, I guess, yes, and other methods are right. What are the other method? Specs, serial number and specs, right? Okay, so these are the methods we are calling from vehicle class to car object, and I will also say that I will later on call car class from another class, right? So for single inheritance, I just want to clear that it's a single inheritance, like parent class or derived class extend by car class, right? So let me call here a car object, right? I want to write car, sorry, car equals to new car, that's it. And let me type system dot out dot print I am called from car. I just want to show you tag, right? So car dot model, right? Car dot spec, car dot serial, and car dot spec. Okay, so let me remove it from this object, or I don't want to create any object over. So let's run it and see what will happen. Okay, so we created over here car object, and we just type here method. I am calling a println command that says I am called from car object, right? And then we will call these object over here, car, model, spec, serial number, and that's it. So let me try. I am, okay, I am called from car class, and I am vehicle class, I am vehicle. So that's it for single inheritance. Let's discuss about multi-level inheritance. As we created three class over here, bike, bicycle, car, and vehicle. Let's discuss about vehicle and bicycle and bike, right? Let's discuss about bike. Let me zoom it. Okay, so I want to inherit this, sorry, extend this from vehicle. Okay, so bike have two similar properties which bicycle also have. So public void tires, right? Okay, sorry, tires, and system dot out dot println I am called from bike class. Okay, then public void handle, and I'm also called from bike class. And let me say here handle, and let me say here tire. Okay, so let's see what I will type here. I will extend here a class. I said bicycle and bike have two similar properties. Because of two similar properties, I don't want to rewrite these methods, so I will inherit bike into bicycle, right? So I will get all the properties which I have in vehicle, because bike is inherited from vehicle and bicycle is inherited from bike. So what I get in bicycle, the properties of vehicle and bike both. So this is called multi-level inheritance. Let me show you. I don't write anything here. I will go to main activity, and here I write bicycle. Bicycle equals to new bicycle, and bicycle dot color, bicycle dot handle, bicycle dot model, bicycle dot tire, right? And here I also want to say that I am called from bicycle class. I am called from bicycle. So let's run it and see what will we get. So these are the three basic inheritance type. First is single, second is multi-level, and third is hierarchical, right? So let me show you here what I get. Right, I call from car, which is car object over here. Then we will see after this these are end, we get this, right? Let me show you. I write I am from bicycle class. I am called from bicycle. I am vehicle because it's a vehicle, and it says I am a vehicle. I am in vehicle class, right? Handle say I am called from bike class. Vehicle said I am called from vehicle, and tire say I am called from bike class, right? So what we are talking about to occur property or behavior of parent class into subclass. We create a class over here that is truck. Okay, I created here a class car and bike, and last one is truck. So let inherit it. So let's also extend it with vehicle, right? And let me show you. If I set vehicle, have a method over here, model. Okay, and this is serial number, and this is color, I guess color, and this is these are the spec. Okay, so let me show you. I created a car object here, so I don't want to create it, and I created a bicycle over here, so I don't want to create it. I just want to create truck equals to new truck. So I constructor, and then I will show you about truck dot color, truck dot spec, sorry, truck dot spec is. So let me tell you an example of hierarchical inheritance. Let me say that I am employee, right? Employee have different characteristics like name, age, salary, and date of birth, right? Employee have similar data. Each employee have similar data, but have different variant. I am an Android developer, so my department will be IT. So IT will extend my class of employee and grabs these information from the employee class. What we are talking about, we created a vehicle class, and we use vehicle class in three different classes like car, bike, and truck. Here I say bicycle because bike inherited from vehicle, and bicycle inherits bike. So we have same methods of bike in bicycle. So hierarchical structure is to have access of parent class in subclass, whatever these are, or even they don't relate to each other, but they can grasp or acquire properties of their parent, right? So let's run it and end this tutorial for now. So here it builds. Let me show you the result. So here are the logs that are saying we are inherited from vehicle class. So that's it for today. We have discussed about two pillars of Java. The first one is abstraction and the second one is inheritance. We will discuss about polymorphism and encapsulation in our next tutorial, inshallah. Do not forget to subscribe my channel so you will get instant video after I upload it, and also like my Facebook page and share it with your friends. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.